Hello, our dear students. How are you? Welcome to everybody. On behalf of Kanukhali Upazila Online School, dear students, you are staying at home because of global epidemic coronavirus. So, we are going to start our journey to take online classes Kanukhali Upazila Online School. Dear students, at first we introduced myself. I am Sulaiman Hussain, Assistant Teacher ICT, Al-Hadamana Khatun Vidyapit, Kalukhali Rajbari. Our topic is class 10, English first paper. Dear students, you are ready to listen or attentively to hear our classes to multimedia. Dear students, you are ready to attend your class 10. Okay, dear students, I will start my journey. Dear students, look at the screen board and try to say about the picture. Can you guess what is the graphics or the picture is? Follow and try to answer the picture. Can you guess what is the pictures are? Yes. One is watching television, another picture is dancing, another a little boy is reading, and the next picture a photograph. Can you guess what is the topics are? Yeah, the topics are pastimes. Do you know what is pastimes? There are several pictures in the screen to follow. Then today's topics is pastimes. Okay, dear students. Do you know that it's a two pictures, two students. One is Tia. Who is Tia? The white dress on a Tia, and other is Anushka. The red color is Anushka. Dear students, open your textbook. Open your textbook and read the conversation and answer the question. Everybody, students, try to read out silently. Sometimes this is a dialogue. This is a conversation about pastimes. Here you see that the two students are Tia and Anushka conversation with one another. Everybody, students, hope that you will read out the passage and I will try the next item. Find out unknown word. Find out unknown word and try to understand. Painting. Do you know what is painting? Painting is some things as drawing by oneself. This is called painting. Do you know gardening? Gardening. There are some students who make their own house to make a garden. Different types of flowers. This is called gardening. Another is yoga. Do you know what is yoga? Yoga is one kind of exercise. Yoga is one kind of exercise. Intellectual gym. Intellectual gym is called yoga. Here are some pictures I will show you. What are these? There are so types of yoga. Yoga is running, jog, exercise, and gym. Dear students, can you guess? It is yoga. We know that the two students talk about Anushka and Tia, their pastimes. Our has different time of pastimes, so there are some pastimes. We can see that nowadays we can see Anushka's pastimes. Anushka's pastimes, we can see that singing, to play scenes. Another pastimes is drawing. Drawing a wonderful man, a beautiful and fine picture to draw Anushka. It's Anushka's pastimes. Another Anushka's pastimes is reading Holy Quran. It's a great pastimes for a Muslim's family. Do you know that? When we can play our pastimes, we can read out our Holy Muslims Holy Quran to read out. Another Anushka's pastimes is photographs. Dear students, can you regard to photographs? We know that there are so many students to like to take photographs by your own camera or cell phone. Understands? It is Anushka's pastimes. Then we can see Tia's pastimes. Tia's pastimes. We can see that we can follow that Tia's pastimes are to play football, to watch footballs while another pastimes is reading book. It's a great pastimes for a students. When we take sometimes we can read out the different types of books to gain our knowledge. Another is playing games. Yes, another pastimes is playing games. We can see that yes, other pastimes is planting pot trees. This is called tree planting by pot. You can see that there are several kinds of pastimes. Yes, we can see more pastimes. We can see another pastimes. There are more pastimes. Swimming. You can see that it's swimming. To roof gardening. Roof gardening and pot planting. Singing is another pastimes we can use in different times. You know that it's a long time vacation for a students. We are staying at home at this moment. Many students in vacation in the afternoon to fly kite. This is another pastimes. When we stay more times, we can play kite. We can fly in kite. This is another pastime. Dear students, you can see that there are so types of pastimes in your textbook. Tia's and Anushka's and many others students. We are use pastimes in leisure time. Dear students, you can see the several questions. Try to answer the question. You can see that. Have you any favorite pastimes? Yes, you can answer. I have a pastimes to play cricket in leisure time. Another questions. What are the Anushka's pastimes? Can you play Anushka's pastimes? Yes, you can answer the Anushka's pastimes. Thank you. What are the Tia's pastimes? Who can answer the Tia's pastimes? Okay, you are answered the Tia's pastimes. Dear students, you will write down in your khata what is about yoga. Write pair in pair 2 minutes. You write down about yoga. What is yoga? Dear students, you are understanding yoga. You will write your khata and change others pair to matching what are yoga. Do you know that some yoga, some stress reduction, yoga, stress reduction, increase fitness, weight loss, management of chronic health condition, management of chronic condition. Can you guess what are the yoga arts? Think about sometimes about yoga. Stress reduction, increased fitness, weight loss, management of chronic health conditions. Try to own self what are yoga. You can match it. Dear students, see more about yoga. Can you see the picture on the screen? Yoga. Understanding yoga, the health benefits of yoga, stress reduction. We can say before that stress reduction. With its quite precise movements, yoga draws your focus and from your busy chronic day and towards calm and you move your body through forces that you can balance conduction. This is yoga. Increase fitness. Can you say? As you learn and refine new poses, you may enjoy improved balance, flexibility, range of motion and strength, and this means you are less likely to injure yourself to other physical conversions in your daily activities. This is called increase fitness. Management of chronic health conditions. Yoga might help in a variety of health conditions such as cancer, depression, pain, anxiety, and insomnia. Fatigue and mood shifts. Yoga can also help reduce heart rate, blood pressures, weight loss. If you are overeating and you have eating discover, yoga may help you make the healthy lifestyle changes necessary to gain control your life, eating and reduce weight. These are yoga. Do you know that? What's the benefit of yoga? I can understand that you can realize the benefits of yoga. So you can see some pictures. Benefits of yoga. Body fitness, healthy body, to be fit and keep fit. This is benefits of yoga. So when you are leisure time, you will remain on your time to try to yoga. Okay, dear students. Dear students, what's your favorite pastime? Okay, your favorite pastime is reading. Mention 3 pastimes. Okay, dear students, watching TV, to play game, and to gardening. Thank you very much. What do you do? What do you do? All of the pastimes. Dear students, you can understand that. Dear students, write down your khata at your home. Write a short passage. What do you do as a student after your leisure time? Dear students, you write down your khata, your home task. Next class, I will see your khata and some instruction. Give some instruction. Okay, dear students. You will be good at your home. Hope that you will stay at your home and frequently you will wash your hands minimum 20 seconds. Everybody will happy at your home. Thank you very much. No more today. Goodbye.